Hello. Well, it is a day of many interesting things happening here. For one thing, I'm making a trade, but that's not what we're going to work on so much now. I will be making a trade for 3 Commodore monitors and 2 little doors to cover up the controls. But the main reason you're here today is because, yes, gas. The Silver Label Commodore 64, as I may have showed you. I know I did, not so long ago. Will soon. Just the box. Anyway, soon the Silver Label 64 will be going to Italy of all places. So, I have a couple things I need to do. It did not have a SID chip in it, so I'm going to put one in. But before I can do that, I want to put this aside with great care. Because this old machine is near mint. So what am I going to do? I know that, is from what I remember, inside of this Commodore 128 that I test chips in should be a SID chip that is indeed fully functional. I do believe someone is trying to reach me. Ugh. If it rings again, perhaps I will go. So, here we have, oh wait, we do not need this guy here. By the way, I have figured something else in this constant land of learning, and that is that although, let me turn this on, it is all wonderful reset button. What is this thing? There we go. It is all wonderful to have a screen with white and black on it, but it really isn't. Because when there's not much there, the camera doesn't, this is when I'm focused in on just the screen, the camera doesn't know what to do, so it gets all weird. And then it kind of sorts itself out when the letters come back. But, kind of, sort of. So anyway, I will be looking for a different color combination. So what this is doing right now is, of course, it is running through the 40 column diagnostics. It will take a moment. And we're out to test the SID chip. Because we need to put one in. So hang on, I'm just going to grab my phone. Well, that's doing its thing. So we have not got to the SID chip. There's a lot of memory in here. Let's see. Who would call me? Oh, there is a message. Well, it seems that my little fellow is not feeling well. So, I'm going to call back. Meanwhile, any moment, the SID chip. Here comes the SID chip. That didn't sound quite right. It's funny, there's all these things about staying on the line and everything, but it's not happening. Oh, hi, I understand you have a little Andrew there. Okay. Did he say we're kind of not well? Okay, okay. Anyway, sorry, in listening to that, as it went through there, I don't think I heard the growl of the... So I don't think this is the right SID chip. I don't. So, I'm going to head over here. Because I think I'm going to have to change this. By the way, you know the SID chip also has a hand in something else. Hello? Okay. What's up, Mr. Boo Boo? Oh, okay. So, should I come get you? Okay. Hello? I'll be there in a few moments. Okay, bye. Okay, so it seems I must go. So yes, this SID chip is the, I think this is the one I mentioned before. It works, but it doesn't. In other words, it works with the paddles, which the SID chip has something to do with. It works with the mouse. But the sound, the grumbling sound is not working. So, well, look, here's the thing in the corner. Boy, do I ever look dark here. I think the shutter speed change does make quite a difference. Although let me just look over here when I'm in brighter light. Oh, well, the other thing, and of course, this little camera has a funny little screen. And in some directions it looks worse than others. So sometimes you just have to learn not to trust it. So, what was I saying? Okay, so I am going to leave this. I'm going to turn out the lights. I'm going to go get my little man. And he seems to have a fever and he's coughing and he's not feeling good. And in a little while I will. Now, it's funny. I know the SID chip is good. I know it. But I just want to double check before I put it in, because this machine is going an awfully long way. And I want it to be, perfect. Anyway, once again, I do like this in the corner. I think it's positioned pretty well. This is the diagnostics. I'm not sure. There might still be issues. And it may, I'm not sure if it's all washed out there or not. Anyway, like anything, the experiments continue. They do. So, I'm going to just listen to this one more time, because we're almost there. And then, I'm going to go. So I will be back. So anyway, yes, I am trading 3 Commodore monitors. Here comes. Here comes. 1, 2, 3. Alright. So, I'll turn that off. I'll turn everything off. Oh yeah. Got to turn this off too. So, we shall continue later.